now, I think ano na yan eh, alam na ng bawat player, alam ng bawat coach ko ano yung gagawin, anong defensive scheme dito, anong gagawin, how they will start, di ba? So it's a
So coach,
matter
hindi
of
ako makinig ng prediction sa'yo.
yeah,
Pipili
so
ka lang
it's a
ng isang
matter of
team.
ang sa akin lang Pau. So kung sino
Okay.
yung makakatulong outside Junmar and CJ
Ah,
and outside
Yeah.
of Tana and Neway ng Batak, kung sino yung
Okay.
kung sino yung mag-step up na players, I think that's a good chance of winning the series.
Okay.
So yung dalawa na yun, ano na yun eh, ano na yan eh, na kumbaga ano na yan, nagbalanse na yung dalawa eh. So
Yeah.
yun na lang how Jericho Cruz will play on the other side and how sino to
Ang
si
Batak.
yeah, hindi, I mean the other guys like
Lassiter,
itong
Marcio.
Marcio or
Australiano.
sa Token Tech side on the Token Tech sides yung big man nila, how si Rosser and Williams, how they can help these two guys also, and then the bench of Token Tech, the whole bench of Token Tech, especially Gio, how he step up on this last 3 games because I think si Gio yung pinaka-fresh diyan eh sa
Yes.
sa Token Tech players, si Gio. So and Alwin also is pressed. So because of the injury of Fogoy, I think they need to step up these two players na
Okay.
maka-step up para at least they have a good chance of winning the series.